Hello everyone. I wanted to show you all how we can actually remove the formatting that we have made for our Word document. So in the previous video, we went ahead and changed some words here. You can see that they stand out. They're not the most attractive. And rather than having to just hit the redo or the undo button a whole bunch of times, what we can do is we can actually clear all the formatting for those particular words. So to do this, we just have to go ahead and we have to select them. So we can go ahead and highlight this word. Then we could use Control and then just highlight this whole section over here. Okay, and now that we have these two sections highlighted, or I'm sorry, this word and then this sentence here highlighted, there is some formatting that is there that we want to remove. So if we come up here to the Home tab and then we click on this where it says Clear All Formatting, it actually will go ahead and remove it for us. And then even if you do something as subtle as this, like you click in front of this cursor, you can see that there's a tab there or an indentation that was done with a tab. If we go ahead and we click on this, it actually removes it. And then if we just hit tab, then we just bring it right back. But that is the most efficient way where you're able to actually remove formatting from your Word document.